fourth gear and go over 8,500 RPM for some reason. Don't know if it's an electric issue or a carburetor issue. Something I need to get figured out. But up till then, it all goes nice and smooth. Like bird suicide day, I guess. Yeah, it's a little windy out today too, so definitely be good environment to test out the new mic setup and see how shitty it's gonna be. Harvest time, so I gotta keep an eye out for farmers too out here. There's a lot of farmers. Wonder if they're broke down. Nope, they're moving. Let's go see what they're doing. Thought I saw a sheriff behind me in the hill. Nope. Now, obviously, their car's running okay because they're going about 80 miles an hour. I don't have anything to worry about. Ow, rock. Damn it. I do not like rocks when I'm partially squidding. They are not fun. Yeah, it's really my first time ever doing anything like this, so I'm sure it'll be boring because, well, I don't normally talk to myself, so it's a little weird to kind of have a conversation that I'm making up as I go. This is probably why people normally ride in town, so they can make fun of other people in traffic. So, you're out in the open, unless you're doing a tutorial, it's kind of pointless. There's no tutorial I can do right now. Wheeling tutorial, nope, because I only do power wheelies. I don't do clutch ups or any of that fun shit right now. So I don't really have anything interesting to bring up besides just testing out my my new setup and high wind noise. So hopefully it turns out okay. I'm sure it'll be easier to edit out the wind noise that's hitting my mic on the inside of my helmet compared to when it's on my piece of shit camera that can't even have an external mic. It just has the built-in mic in the front of the camera, so it just catches all the wind and can't be covered up by foam or anything because the placement they have it on is just so terrible.